Hello guys, and welcome to the Forex Ball Trade Academy for the third time today. It's been a crazy day and there has been so much going on in all the markets, and I had to literally analyze all Australian dollar currency pair to understand what will be the direction, because tomorrow there will be important news release by the Australian dollar. So I didn't want to just leave this trade. And what I really looked at is this 61.8 Fips clean bounce which has occurred. Now price broke this resistance, and now I do believe the Australian dollar actually will be heading towards the upside. So in regards to the Australian dollar, it's cancelled. I think Australian dollar will be getting strong now. Now I will be presenting now the idea on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. And before I start, just to remind you, all the information in this video just for educational purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. Okay, so Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, it was kicked out, I guess also for the reason the channel has been rejected here, and now we are between the moving averages. So here we're done. I'm not gonna go back to this idea, but I will go to the Australian Swiss franc, which does look very interesting because it's trend following actually approach here. What we have on the Australian Swiss franc, clear uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. We had this almost price nearly tested the simple moving average 200 period. Previously it has rejected it here. Now we have the resistance formed at this level. It was the support and it's support again. And this is a short-term opportunity where we might have this 100 pip move to the upside during today's news release, not today's but tomorrow. So I think it is very important to update you on this, because I have changed my mind, not just because I think my technicals are wrong, but it's basically that I see across other multiple pairs that Australian dollar is actually very strong. It's getting stronger, and the Fips rejected and so on just makes me think it could be a perfect buying opportunity throughout all Australian dollar currency pairs. And this one I like the most because it's a short term, 100 pips. I think during the night there will be quite a big move, and this is actually our target. What do we have? I have Fips applied to the most recent corrective wave to the downside. Okay, this is after the breakout of the moving averages. So you can see on the 15-minute chart we had the breakout. I have applied to this low, because if we look at the 4-hour chart, there was no break and close below this level. So this is my initial low. Now I have applied Fips also to the very last wave to the upside. And what we have, guys, 327.2 Fips corresponding to 38.2 Fips precisely. So this is what I like about this using the Fips, because they can give you quite a nice targets and where and what to do. So the idea is actually was to go long around this price at 65.20. This is ideal price. Stop loss just below this level, hard stop loss. There is nothing to wait, and we are meeting 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So this is the idea. I'm sorry to post so many updates, but it has been crazy. I had to literally analyze I don't know, about 20 different pairs to understand what is happening in the market. So it was Monday, crazy, but here we go. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Smash the likes for keeping you updated, and of course comment what you think in regards to the Australian dollar. We will talk to you tomorrow and see what happens.